Welcome to Network and Beat. Hi, my name is Sabir. This video I shows you how to expand C drive space. Okay, first I search in Google many small tool and this tool name is Mini Tool Partition Wizard and I search in Google and I got this tool. Okay, I going to this website and now I downloaded this tool. Click download and this is free tool and this you can use this tool for free in your home uses. It's not free for your business purpose. Okay, okay, after install this tool and I open this tool. Okay guys, okay guys, my C drive space is 18.3 GB. So guys, see this video how I increase this space from my another volume. I choose my dri- C drive, C volume, and you can see here your other volume, and you can extend from your other volume. I choose my another volume and I increase my C drive. I want to 2 GB increase. So I doing this. You can see this window everything. Okay. Okay. Now I click OK and apply. Yes. Guys, it's taken uh, some minute, but don't worry. It's not lose your any data. Okay, completed and my C drive space already 2 GB, 2 GB space extended. Okay guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.